Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install and update the network adapter driver on Windows 10 and 11. Whether you are trying to set up a new PC or troubleshooting a network issue, this guide will help you get connected in no time. So let's get started. First, let's right click on the Windows icon and then select Device Manager to open it. Here, you'll find a list of all the hardware on your computer. Look for network adapters and double click on it to expand it. Now let's find your network adapter. It might say something like Realtek, Intel or Wi-Fi in the name. If you see a yellow triangle or a question mark, that's a sign the driver needs fixing. So let's right click on your adapter again and select Update Driver. A window will pop up with two options. Choose Search Automatically for drivers. Now Windows will look online and install the latest driver if it finds one. Now if it says the best driver is already installed, or if it can't find one, no problem, we'll download it and install it manually. Right click on your adapter and let's choose Properties. In the new window, let's go to the Details tab. From the drop down, select Hardware IDs. You'll see some codes. Now these identify your adapter's vendor and device. We'll use this ID to search online for the driver and download it. Right click on the first one and let's select Copy. Open your browser and let's paste the code in the search box and hit Enter. Select Link from the result. And once you're at this page, let's scroll down and look for the driver that matches your operating system. Mine is a Windows 11 64-bit, so I'll select this one. Once the download is complete, let's go back to the Device Manager, right click on your adapter again, and pick Update Driver. Now this time select Browse My Computer for drivers and click on Browse. And let's find the driver we just downloaded. Select it and click Next. Windows will install it and you might need to restart your computer to apply the changes. After the reboot, check to see if the problem has been fixed. Let me know in the comment section if this has fixed your issue. And as always, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.